What's going on, everybody? How y'all doing? We're back with another one today. We got the Sentra and we got the Altima. So what we're gonna be doing today is cleaning out the engine bays. Just a little solution. I just made some Dawn soap and water. I ain't doing nothing fancy up under the hood or none of that. For both cars, we're gonna do it for both cars. Meanwhile, before we start, we're gonna go ahead and change this battery out for this Sentra here, because this one, the interstate battery, about 5 years old, and it died on us the other day. So that's what we're gonna do. Gonna change that out first, and then we're gonna get to cleaning next. See y'all in a few. All right, before we get started cleaning, I just want to let you know that decided to go aftermarket or whatever. Interstate batteries are very good, but I went on here and went to Nissan and got a battery that's actually for the car. Come with a guaranteed 2-year warranty. It got the 84-month warranty on there, where the battery goes out, Nissan pays a portion of the battery, and I paid the rest, type of deal. That's the type of warranty it has. So this is a good deal. I think it was like $182 for this car, which is not bad. The interstate battery lasted 5 years, not gonna lie. When we got the car, this battery was put in there, been chucking ever since. So now we're gonna do, like I said, it corroded a little bit, but we're gonna get ready to put this in after we clean on the engine bay. So let's go ahead and put y'all on time lapse, and we're gonna get started with both of these. Boom. Got it cleaned up under here. Like I said, it ain't nothing fancy. We just want to get the dirt off. Nothing fancy. Just try to keep it clean as possible. You can't keep it clean as possible. Oh well. I like to have it looking a little neat. I'm gonna put some shine on it. At the end, I'll give y'all a final result. And right here, let's get ready to put the new battery in this, and we gonna go from there. Both engine bays are cleaned up. Shine them up in the end, give y'all a final result. All right, now we got that done. I'm gonna go across both cars with this under the hood. Y'all don't believe me? I've been using it for so long. Up on the hood, shining stuff up. You can go buy the kits if you want to, but I'm doing the budget way, so we'll go from there with it. Let's do both of them. Let's get it. All right, that's gonna conclude today's video. This is the Altima here. Semi-shined it up, made it look good. And then we got the good old Sentra right here. Semi-shined it up. Like I said, it wasn't nothing special, just cleaning from under here. Made it look a little better. And we got the new battery installed. 522. Mostly brand new battery, a couple weeks old. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Y'all don't worry about that. It's gonna dry up. I'm looking for the smooth black finish. I'm not looking for shiny, glossy, none of that. So once it finished drying and everything, we're gonna be good. But like I said, I got them both cleaned, or at least dust from under both. And with that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. The Altima, Sentra, get ready to see both of these on the channel, and we're gonna go from there. Peace out, y'all.